Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, my people. As I see this picture just now, say RIP to this our popular musician, my people. This month of November, we will pray for ourselves. Oh, the thing really shocked me, like seriously. We will just give him the last respect, like the thing really shocked me, you know. According to the way me tell here, they say he sleep, you know, wake up. My people, if I wake up in the morning, they give tithes to God, though. Pray to God. Say, thank God for my life. Thank God for making me to see today. Thank God. You know, even sometimes, I know they remember to pray, but if I carry if I dey waka, I must still pray that prayer. You understand? So, maybe they pray for ourselves for this month of November. Make they not hear any bad news from us. Maybe we not see hear any bad news from our family. It's they very painful. Say, this our popular musician just go just like that. Very, very painful, like seriously. Very, very painful. May his soul rest in perfect peace. God know why it take him now. You understand? Everybody must go one day. So, they're very, very painful. May his soul rest in perfect peace. May his soul rest in perfect peace. I just pray for God to give the family the mind to bear the loss, and the wife and the children. It's so painful. Say you lost somebody for this month of November. This December now pain. All of them go just day. You understand? And they very, very painful. Only God know why it go so soon. Very, very painful, my people. So, my Ogmonge people, more than I be show the video, more than I be given the last respect. Very painful, but what to do? It already happened. It don't happen. But God know why it take come now. So, my people, more than I be show the video, more than let the video go viral, my people. Please let me to show the video. Bye, everybody. Bye. I don't want to make the video too long. Just a short video for this our popular musician. May his soul rest in perfect peace. More than I be show the video. Bye, everybody.
On behalf of the good people of Edo State, I want to sincerely apologize to the obedient family for the oppression. I want to sincerely apologize to the obedient family for oppression, because it is simply unfair for them not to be able to use a public asset, which is the stadium, for their events today. It's very, very unfair. It's very, very unfair for the obedient family not to be able to use a public asset for their event today. The Edo State governor must be aware that the Ogbe Stadium that was built by a former governor, Ogbemudia, of blessed memory, may so rest in peace. The Edo State governor must be aware that the Ogbe Stadium is a public asset and can be used at any time for any social events. If you go to UK, you go to America, some parts of Europe, you will see that stadium can be used for a concert, a big concert. People come in there. They pay for it. If there were going to be obedient event today, it means that the obedient family were going to pay for that event place. That means that the revenue generated from the stadium today could be used in fixing some of the bad schools we have in Edo State. But because of politics, they have deprived the obedient family from using that stadium for a good cause. It's a good cause. People want change. It's politics. Obaseki must be aware that power do not last forever. Obaseki must be aware that he is just a public servant. A governor is a public servant. A governor is supposed to be a public servant. Obaseki, you are just like a gate man. When you have a house, a compound, you put a person in the gates to protect the compound for you. That is the job of a governor. So Obaseki must stop oppressing the people of Edo State. Obaseki must stop using his office as a governor to oppress innocent citizens because you think you can do that. We must start telling ourselves the truth. The oppression is becoming too much in Edo State. We must start speaking up. Speak up, my people. Stop being so afraid to speak the truth when you see it. Freedom of speech is allowed. You have to speak your mind. Look at everything that is going on in those states right now. Children are hungry. Children are left on the streets. Children are sitting on the floor in their classrooms. Women are not employed. Obaseki, enough is enough. I don't hate you, but as a citizen of Edo State, as an Edo-lite who is exposed, I am well exposed. I believe I have traveled more than Obaseki. I've been to 45 countries, over 100 cities in the world. I don't think Obaseki have been that far in life. But I don't understand why they keep doing this. Destroying people's properties, all kinds of mess. Once again, on behalf of the good people of Edo State, I am apologizing to all the obedient family worldwide for the oppression. And I think that was simply unfair for them to try to oppress them from using a public asset. The stadium belongs to the Edo people, not the governor. Thank you so much. I am a Texas detective, Dion Osage, president founder, a Godsend Foundation. I love you. May the best politician win in 2023. A better Nigeria for us all.
What a mismanagement of relationship. What a character assassination. Why it be say, if many of you don't come out for relationship, before you come to see error when they side? Meaning you don't do assessment before you date any guy or date any lady. You when you don't end up with girl for relationship, you can't begin to brag. They make noise. They gossip on media. Bro, may I tell you something? If a matter still in your mind, say you still love that same girl, out of your prideness, you don't feel go beggar, let me know. I go carry people join body, move go help you beggar. Make she come back home. Because if you are still lamenting on any of your girl or any of your ex-girl or ex-boy on media talking about him or her, it means you are still dying for that same person. If you talk about the unlawful program when they be one execute for your enemy body, we for the year, bro. Now so you go deal with girl, romance upon all the romance, she not go wet. That one is small picket, although you even talk and say you be small boy for the analysis. And me I be not even know about who they talk about. But for the reply, when the girl can reply you, say your enemy na epilepsy, say you be epileptic patient. Wait, oh, sister, may I ask you a question? You don't know, say this guy na epileptic patient before you accept that ring from media that time when he engaged to you or proposed to you. Wait, oh, who na they deceive? Huh? Person when you know say na epileptic the warrior in an epileptic patient, fear let you collect ring from a pull for your hand. If you say waka where, I think you're supposed to be the wife of that person, begin to give birth to children for them. Now, after we don't separate now, something don't happen in between the both of you. Waka no come waka where. Now you know say in an epileptic person, and you accepted a ring from him not quite long ago. What a character assassination. What a character assassination. Una they deceive us, I don't know they deceive una say. Bro, if you are still in love with her, let us know. Me, myself, I go wear my shoe, go beg her for you, make she come back home. And you, when you mad, spoil the boy, say, you epilepsy. You don't know, say the guy an epileptic patient before you accept ring from her. Now, in fact, una shame, they shame me. What a character assassination.